हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका कनेडियन दोस्त और आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं पासपोर्ट रिक्वेस्ट की, जो कि आपको आती है आफ्टर यू अप्लाई फॉर योर कनाडा पीआर। एंड जब आईआरसीसी की तरफ से आपको ग्रीन लाइट मिल जाती है, देन दे आस्क फॉर योर पासपोर्ट, जिसके अंदर एक इमिग्रेशन वीज़ा लगता है। एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट दे सेंड यू योर कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ पीआर, विच विल बी एजेंडा ऑफ टुडे. If you guys do not know me, my name is Gursimran Singh. I recently got my PR card and I've documented all my journey in the Canada PR series. So if you guys are interested, do check that out. So without any ado, let's get started and jump right into my computer where I'll be showing you how to send your passport for your passport request and get your confirmation of PR. Let's begin. So this is my application in IRCC's website. So इसके अंदर आप चेक कर सकते हैं, मुझे information letter आया था which is the passport request. And this was sent to me on February 7th, जब मुझे ग्रीन लाइट मिल गई थी that everything is okay and I was sent this document. इस डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर इन्होंने मुझे बताया है कि द परमानेंट रेजिडेंस का जो प्रोसेस है मेरा, दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट. ऑल दे नीड इज द डॉक्यूमेंट्स which are mentioned in this letter and I need to send those documents within 30 days and the steps associated with it are also provided. So सबसे पहला स्टेप जो इन्होंने मांगा है वो है if there is any change in your application. For example, अब अगर आपके कोई किड्स हो जाते हैं या अब आप मैरिड हो जाते हैं या और कोई चेंज होता है आपके एप्लीकेशन के अंदर, then you have to let them know via this IRCC web form to tell them that your application has been updated, and based on that they will make decision whether they want to move ahead or not. Second step is to determine if you need to send your passports. If you can see over here that if you are a holder of passport from countries whose citizen need a visa to travel to Canada, for example India, because India के residents को Canada में travel करने के लिए visa चाहिए होता है. So in that case you require passport and the passport should be valid for at least 6 months and it should have 2 blank pages जिसके अंदर वो immigration visa को stamp कर सके and other specification as well. And you still have to provide your passport even if you have temporary resident visa, which can be as a student visa or a worker visa. And if you guys are interested in knowing what is TRV and TRV कैसे apply करते हैं, I've already made a video about it. I'll be putting that in the description box below. And even if you are a permanent resident of US but still have the Indian passport or a passport which requires visa for Canada, then you still need to send your passport. But if in case you have a passport of countries which do not require visa to travel to Canada, then you do not have to. You just have to send in the photocopy of the photo pages and any pages containing amendments of the passport and any stamps associated. This is the second step. Third step is preparing your documents. First document which you require is your passport or the photocopies which we just talked about. The second item which you require is photographs for your PR card, जो कि मैं previous video के अंदर पहले ही cover कर चुका हूँ, which looks something along the lines of this, and उसकी specification is also provided over here. I'll be putting this link in the description box below as well. Then third is the prepaid return envelope, so that the IRCC folks can return your passport and your COPR in the address which you provide. The third item which you require is to provide a prepaid return envelope so that they can return your passport as well as your COPR in the address which has been provided by you. And the fourth item is filling in the annex form. The annex form over here, they already specified the email address, UCI and the application number. You just have to fill in the details like your name, address, your apartment number, city, province, postal code, telephone number and the signature. And basically what the IRCC folks will do, they will take in this detail, add it in the return envelope which you will be sharing, and you will be receiving your COPR and passport in it. Now the question is, where do you need to submit the documents? अब आपको डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने हैं यहाँ पे, and this is applicable only for people who are in Canada. But if in case you are applying from any other country other than Canada or US, then you have to let IRCC know and they will let you know what are the steps associated. Basically they will tell you send the documents in a visa office in that country close to you. But if you are in Canada, you have to follow the instructions which are mentioned over here. आपको बेसिकली एक एक्सप्रेस पोस्ट एनवेलप चाहिए होता है जो प्रीपेड होना चाहिए. सो बेसिकली यू विल बी सेंडिंग 2 एनवेलप्स. वन इज अ बिगर एनवेलप जिसके अंदर आप रिटर्न एनवेलप डालेंगे, अपना पासपोर्ट डालेंगे, एनेक्स फॉर्म डालेंगे, फोटोग्राफ डालेंगे एंड एनी अदर डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच वर मेंशन इन द स्टेप 3. एंड आप एक्सप्रेस पोस्ट थ्रू कैनेडा पोस्ट भेज देंगे इस लोकेशन पे जो कि इज द एड्रेस फॉर ऑटवा. इफ in case you are in US, you have to follow the same procedure, but यहाँ पे आपको एड्रेस डिफरेंट होगा, राइट? एंड यहाँ पे बड़े बड़े अक्षरों पे लिखा है that do not fill out the address section on your Canada Post return envelope because IRCC will be sending it in the address which has been specified by you in this section. अब जब पासपोर्ट रिटर्न आता है देन द इमिग्रेशन वीज़ा लुक्स अलोंग द लाइन्स ऑफ दिस, जो कि आप चेक कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ एन immigration visa and it states that the person is immigrant and it is valid only for 5 to 6 months, जो कि रिक्वायर्ड होता है आपकी लैंडिंग के लिए या इंटरव्यू विद इन कैनेडा इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग फ्रॉम कैनेडा. बट अगर आप इंडिया से आते हैं यू विल बी यूजिंग दिस वीज़ा टू एंटर इनटू कैनेडा. आप कनाडा में एंट्री लेते हैं, उसको लैंडिंग बोलते हैं. वहाँ पे आप पीआर कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं एंड जो कि आप एड्रेस देते हैं वहाँ पे आपका पीआर कार्ड शिप हो जाता है. दैट्स अबाउट इट गाइस. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो. इफ़ यू डिड, प्लीज़ लाइक इट एंड शेयर इट विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स who would be interested in knowing this information. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It really means a lot. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.